the campsite, Deception Pass, where we did some hamming last night on 80 meters and 20 meters. Campsite's pretty close, worked late, but I managed to get an antenna up, so I brought the the SG237 auto tuner, who was set up there, and swung them around the bottom and tapped off 12 volts onto Valerie's RV battery, and then I brought the coax over around to the campfire, and then I drugged my battery over there. I was using it inside the camper last night, but I brought that over and operated the rig right out here, sitting on the cooler. So I got the spider beam here just as a little bit of a support for the long wire, the magnet wire. I wanted to keep it away from the edge of the camper, and it actually goes up. I don't know if you'll see it, but I got a really good shot. It goes all the way up. Let's see here, if I had to measure, that tree's got to be 80 feet or 100 feet. It's that tree there. It's actually over the top of it. And this magnet wire here, see if I can zoom in. Well, yeah, I can. So that goes all the way up, I don't know if you'll see it, to the top of that tree there. And then there's a piece of rope on the downside, and it's tied off back on the trail. We can go look at that. Ground radials, standard operating procedure for me. The 14 gauge THHS stranded. I draped that all the way out. Two of them, really long ones. So I'm going to go real fast here. It just goes all the way here, loops there, and then pretty good run. It stops right at the start of this little trail. Put this trail in perspective. So there's the campsite, there's the antenna, and so that radio goes all around the backside over to here. And then there's one that goes over to the front side. You see the little pad so no one trips on it. It goes underneath the car, all the way over by the coax, but it loops all the way over around here in the campsite, back behind that tree in front of there. And it's a really long one. This one's 80 some feet, and it's actually right there. It's real close to, it joins real close to the other one. It terminates there at that blue tape, but this one's long enough that it goes probably halfway down this trail, which is really pretty much almost underneath of that tree where the sloper wire is going up there. So pretty good radio. There's some water over there. We're going to look at that, and seemed to be working really well. So I had my doubts about it, but we pulled it off. So I think that's 4 successful camping trips where I was able to do HF. So I'm a happy camper. Hi.